Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, this is my compost. I just came out to give some, how you call it? Put some dirt in there and stuff like that that I don't want. I wanted to rejuvenate it, and maybe I could use it again. And I'm doing a lot of things on my day off. I got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday that I don't have my granddaughters, so I take advantage of doing everything I have to do. Okay. First of all, let me see if I could show you. Wait a minute. I've been cleaning up all this. I haven't finished I'm gonna take that tree that Royal King, something like that is what it's called. But I'm gonna cut them off. It doesn't serve me a purpose, you know. So I want to put here all over. How you call it? Corianders. These culantros. Why? A lot of people ask for them. They want seeds and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put all this. I'm gonna put it all in um, culantros. I'm gonna take good care of them, and I'm gonna, how you call it, make sure that they grow and everything, have the water, the vitamins, all that stuff. And then I'm gonna plan it to sell it. If I'm not gonna make it with YouTube, because I don't have the 4,000, I got the 1,601, I think it is. And I don't have the 4,000. I never make it to the 4,000. Because, hey people, I need you to like me so it could spread around. At least if you don't want to subscribe, I understand. Maybe you don't like this thing, but help me out. And look at that. Red peppers. I'm gonna get seeds from these also. These are what Puerto Ricans use. This red pepper, So I call it Puerto Rican. I don't know what they call it seriously, but these are the ones that the Puerto Ricans use a lot. So I let it die there, and then I take their seeds. So, but that's not what I really came for here. Okay, I'm going to show you what I really came for. That's my uncle's banana. And right there, it's first plantain. That one is mine. And I have that one growing. This one is growing. After it gives the plantain, I'm going to cut it off. It'll grow right back from what I understand. So I'm going to do that test. Because I know from there that it's not going to grow no more. It only grows one time. So, there you see the thing, right? When it start going down with bananas, I'm going to cut that piece off so the bananas could actually grow perfectly. I heard that they grow faster. As you can see, my uncle did it. He knows about cutting it. And now I want to cut that one when it has bananas. When it already has the whole banana, then I chop that off. So I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy of what I'm doing. I've been doing this for years and I could not get it straight. So now I do. I get it straight. So I just wanted to show you that. I think it looks beautiful. I'm so excited. I have one over there one time, but this time I actually made it grow. Vitamins, proteins. Look at that. Look at the bottom of that. Look how thick it is. It doesn't move. But then when this finish, I'm going to cut it to there and let it grow more. Yeah, sometimes they grow inside there and come right back up. So that's all for now. And I also have a few things that I have inside the house. Like I am doing an experiment with tomatoes. I did one that I put it through the rail, the gate of my house, and it grew beautiful. It gave a lot of tomatoes, but I'm doing it different this time. But I ain't gonna tell you because I want you to see the video. If I already tell you, then you ain't gonna see the video. So people, love you guys. My subscribers. People has been for me. After Maria, I lost a lot of people. and I haven't received them back. So, I just pray to God. That's all. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.